In this video, I will show you how to fix WhatsApp account banned or temporarily blocked. The first thing you need to do is understand the reason. Account may be banned or temporarily blocked due to unusual activities, use of unofficial apps, or violation of terms of service. Now, if your account is temporarily blocked, you want to wait for the timer shown in the app to expire. Do not try to log in until the timer ends. Next, you want to use official app. Make sure you're using the official WhatsApp. To confirm, you want to head over to Play Store or App Store. Here, search for WhatsApp. Now, the application that you see over here is the official one. Make sure that you install and use this one only. Do not use modified or unofficial versions. Now, if your account has been permanently banned, you want to contact WhatsApp support. For that, open up any web browser such as Chrome. Now, you want to search for WhatsApp support. Once you get on the support page, you want to request a review of your account. Always make sure to avoid future issues. Do not send spam messages or use any automation tools. That's all for this video. If you found it useful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.